Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with VChill and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing, guess what, my first ever Pokemon, which is nothing but the Origami Pikachu model. So without further delay, gotta catch them all. Let's get started. So guys, for this Pikachu model we'll need a square piece of paper, definitely yellow. So let's begin. First, fold along the diagonal axis, then pick one flap and fold it like this. Similarly, do it on this side. And open it. So this is how it looks. Now you fold this bottom portion like this. Now we have a fold, central fold. Fold it again for a proper crease. Now we fold this section like this. Take a reference point like this and just fold it. Similarly, we do it on this side. Now open everything. There is a crease over here, so just fold over that crease, press it till this point, and then make a triangle over this crease. So it will be like this. Yeah. Similarly, we'll do it on this side. We'll just fold it till here, and then over the crease make a triangle like this. And you will be left with this portion. Just put it like this and then open this with your thumbs. Make a small kite-like structure. This is how it looks. Now let's rotate the page and let's have a proper fold at this point. Now here we need to fold it like this. There is one flap on this side and one flap on the opposite side. So fold it like this, and then you have this bottom base. Fold it to the top like this. Open it back. We'll have a flap here. This flap, you remove it, put it down, and then close this section like this. Just need to fold it along the creases. That's it. This is how it looks. Now slightly make a slit and fold it like this. Not much, just half a portion, you can say. And then this we will go till this point. I believe till half. I guess it's better till half, yeah. And then fold it downwards. Press it tightly like this. So guys, now fold this section here. We have this is the main flap here, so fold it here, and then we'll have a fold like this, and then pack it up. Similarly, we'll have on this side, just fold it like this, and pack it. Sorry for the disturbance of the kids. There's a lot of noise going on. Now till at this point, you just need to fold it like this backwards. This will be harder since it has a lot of folds. Has a lot of layers. So folding is really difficult here, but just need to make a proper crease so that it doesn't go bad. Now you have this flap, put it back here. This flap, put it back here. Now we'll turn it around, and then this section will fold it like this. Similarly on this side. Open them back. Now as you can see, we have the fold over here, so we just need to open this flap from this side, and then need to make an ear, basically ears of Pikachu, like this, possibly like this. Press it properly. Here also align it with the back portion and then fold it. This is how it looks. Similarly we do it on this side. You can align it from this side. I guess this went slightly. Oh, there is a difference. So yeah, this is proper. Even this probably needs to go a bit down. This is not proper, so let me just adjust it properly. We need a fold at this layer. So here, basically, putting a crease there and then folding it would be better, I believe. Oops. No issues. Still we can continue. Yeah. Try to make it in a neat way. Here it got torn, but I think it's fine for now. So this is how it looks, and then if you fold this section backwards, this is how it looks. Press it tightly. Now turn the sheet. Have this drop here. So what we'll do is we'll just open this. These things, and then just fold it like this. here. Now just open this section like this. Here, as you can see, you have this ray here, and you have this slit, this line. So all we need to do is just fold it till this point, like this, till here. Make a fold. Similarly, we'll make a fold on this side till here. This is the tail actually. So see, there is a cut here. Till here we need to fold it like this. Now you use your index and middle fingers like this, and then need to fold this, give this a shape. Basically you have this slits here, give it a shape like this, and you can see there is the structure it is forming. So guys, here you fold it like this here, and this section you just press it like this, slightly here, similarly on this side, and then try to pull this tail above, and then as you can see we'll have this section here. There's this section, these two sections you need to put it down, and then here you need to join these two, basically like this. Put one in another, and then it won't join directly. You can glue it, or you can just trim it or press it like this, and then press it in this direction so that it doesn't go off. If it's not going in, then better we glue it. So let me get some glue actually, because for me it's not going and it's not staying in place. So I need to put in this. Oops. After the fold, it's not even going in. Just put it. Yeah. So press it for some time. It should stick. This is the basic structure of Pikachu. Now the final touch. This is open, so let's close this flap basically. Let's open this section here slowly and then put it inwards. Press it back. Similarly on this side. Now the tail, we fold it like this. One fold, then a zig, a zag. Like this. So this is the basic body of the Pikachu. I'll make the eyes, nose and all the stuff, ears, blacken it, and I'll show you the final model. But this is the final body of the Pikachu which we thought of. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you loved it. It's a very beautiful and very good Origami Pikachu model, so go ahead and make one, start your Pokemon journey. But before starting the journey, don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.